Hi, welcome back to Success Automation Framework Creation. In this, uh, I'm going to talk about how to implement the login page and the login step file. These are two things I'm going to implement in this. So quickly we'll move to the um, Eclipse here. So whenever you want to implement the um, login page, so we have to first create the login page. After that, we need to create the we need to use that login page in the in step file. So how we can do, we can create this login page. This is the old one, I don't want to use. So here um, login page, yeah, login page will be under the pages folder. Here right click here, under the page, create the login page, so without main method. So first what we need to do here, login page, is we need to extend the base class, base page. This is very important because um, we are going to invoke the constructor from the base class. So first what we did is we created the constructor. Under that constructor we have passed the argument as a WebDriver. So this is very important. And after this we had to implement some of the things here. So first I will take the few things here. So this login page, so you need to create the WebDriver here, okay? And this WebDriver we are going to pass to the base page. Why we want to invoke means in base class, in base class we have implemented the all the common methods which we are going to use our login page. So now when you move to the login page, so here we need to create the, here we need to create the, locators. So how to create the locators? So first of all we need to go to the application, login page, orange HRM login. Yeah, I was talking about this. So just copy this and you need to put inside this. This is the constant we are going to use. So if we see this login page, there are two fields, username and password. So for that we need to identify the locators, any type of locator, whether it may be a name, ID, XPath, CSS select, anything. So just I click this and try to inspect. I'll try to inspect. So if you see here, I'll copy this one so that you will have an idea. Copy this complete element and put it here. So if you see here, there is a name locator. Under that there is a username. So type of the locator is name and the data is username. So first we have to go here, our login page here. So name is a locator and we have to put the locator value. Just copy it some other thing. So right click this and copy this. So I paste here. So this is the username. Username. Okay, we have created the locator with the username. Similarly, we need to create another locator, password. Password. Okay. So that password will check what type of locator is there. We'll go to Orange HRM, and this is the password we have to enter the value. Inspect this. So if you see here, we'll copy this complete, copy this element and remove this. Already we have done this one. Paste this. So here name is the locator type and value is password. Again I'll go here, I'll put the password. So name, type of locator is name, the value is password. So two things we have done. Now in the Orange HRM we need to click this. So for this also we need to take the uh, look locator. Just copy this element and put in the notepad, it will be very good. Okay, so we have we can take CSS selector here. Okay, or you can form the XPath with a type, anything you can type. I will take the I will create the XPath. Okay, slash slash um, at the rate type. Okay, so just take this one and try to control F, control V. Sorry, I have some issue with, okay, it's not pointing. We need to put properly Selenium XPath with the attribute. We have to put the correct syntax, else it won't work. Okay, we need to put like this. At the rate type we have put properly, and we need to put the tag name. Button is a tag name. Everything is correct, right? Attribute, everything is correct. So we take it this one. Go to Orange HRM. So it's pointing now. So this is the XPath. So you take this XPath and go to Eclipse. Here we want one more locator, that is to click on the button. Here just click submit button. Okay, you need to put the XPath this one, and here you need to change the XPath because this is XPath. Let's remove this one. So we have created the three objects with the three locators. So this is a page object model For the page object model, you need to do like this. So by using the by class, we have created the three things. Now we had to we had to send this to the base class. We need to send to the base class, because in base class we have a methods. What are the methods we have? Enter data and click on element. So for that we need to send. So what we can do is here, we need to take this one method, go your login page and create this method. Ctrl Shift F. Now set username. Username. So this is the method. In this you need to pass the, as we want to use the enter data, and this enter data has two arguments. One is locator and another is the string data. So first what we need to do, username, copy this and send here, and data, whatever you, when you call this method you send the data, this you have to send here. This we have implemented the first setting up the username. Similarly we have to use the same thing here, and here set a password. And this is how. Now we have a password locator here. Copy this and put it here, and this is the password. Okay, copy this one and this one. So like this. Acha, password same thing is there. Okay, password value, okay, just give here, because the same password same thing, that's the reason it was giving error. So now we have implemented two methods, set username, set password. Now we have to implement for the method clicking on the submit button. So for that also we have a click element. So what we have to do, go to login page, okay, just go here. So we need to call the base class method. What is the method? Click on element. So just put this, and we need to pass the locator here, this one, because this method have only one argument, because just we need to click the button, so no need to send the value. So like this we have implemented the login page. Login page. All these method from this login page we are going to call in the step, login step definition. So this is all about this session, and in next session I'm going to cover how to call these methods in the step definition class. Thank you, thanks for watching. Just follow this series. So in this topic what we have done is, um, we have implemented the login page, and we have written the login step file. This login step implementation we will do in the next part. Thank you, thanks for watching. Have a great day.